What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play APT by ROSÉ and Bruno Mars. This song has been a big hit over the last couple of weeks, months, I believe, and many people would like to learn how to play it. But sometimes you wonder, how do you play it? Well, it's a very simple song in terms of the chords that it uses. You've got this version of the ukulele that I'm going to be teaching you. It uses 4 chords and they're basically F, G, A minor and C in that order. If you're a beginner and you've just been wondering, how do I play this? Then this is your opportunity. So let's get down to it. Okay, so the first thing that you need to remember is that whenever you are playing the ukulele, you've got the 4 strings. Just to recap, you've got 4 strings. The thinnest string is an A, followed by an E, then a C as a 3rd string, and then a G, a 4th string. So we have our first chord as an F, and just as a reminder that F starts from this 2nd string, 1st fret, you've got that, and then you have the 2nd fret, 2nd finger, you place your finger there. And these are 2. Remember, you should not touch the strings. Your fingers should not be down like this, because the moment they are like that, then you'll be touching other strings, and that will make it very difficult for you to be able to produce a clean sound. So we have our thumb at the back there, held like that. So this is what we have. You have your thumb at the back, you've got your 1st finger, and you've got your 2nd finger on the 1st fret and the 2nd fret, 2nd string and the 4th string. And this is the sound that I produce when I place my, sometimes people have different ways of playing with their fingers. Some people prefer using the thumb, some people use this pointer finger, but I like placing my thumb like this, so that when I am playing, I'm using thumb action, and then when I'm going up, I use the other fingers like that. Okay, so I'm going down. This is an F. I will start simply by playing only 1 strum down, and I'm playing here, just next to the hole, the sound hole, or the sound box, the hole for the sound, so that you can get full sound. Some people prefer playing it on the fretboard, but you've got 2 different sounds when you do that. You can hear that. Okay, so we've got F, and then followed by G. Now G, you have got the 3rd string, 2nd fret, 1st finger, and then this other finger is down. So you've got these 2 fingers on the same fret, and then you've got the 3rd finger, 1st, 2nd, 3rd finger on the 2nd string. So you have that, and that's the position that you have. I don't know whether you can see that. You've got that. Strum the G. And then the A minor chord is that. You get that? So that's your 2nd finger on the ukulele. On the piano, of course, it's a 3rd finger, but this is the 2nd finger on the ukulele. You're playing that top note there. So then we have the last chord is a C, which is just the 3rd finger. You take it down and you're playing that. Right, got it? Let's try together. The first chord is F, followed by G, followed by A minor, and then C. Repeat. F, G, A minor, C. What do you think? Easy, right? I would suggest that you probably practice this over and over and over and over until you can get that very smooth flow of the chords. so that at least when you're moving from one chord to the next, you are not stopping. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, G. Now, one thing before you continue, I would just suggest that you keep counting and keep a very, very steady count. You can even use the clock, the ticking of the clock, those seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, so let's start from the F again after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, shift back, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. Next move, I want to show you the strumming pattern, which is down, down, up, up, down, up. And that is a cycle. So you go down, down, up, up, down, up. And then you go to the next chord. So you've got F. Okay, you move to G. A minor. C. And you repeat the same cycle. This part of the song I'm going to be dealing with is actually just the chorus. Only the chorus, so that you can get it right. And then after that, in the next video, I'm going to show you the rest of the song. To get your free copy of the chord progressions, please click on the link below and it will take you straight to the PDF. Let's carry on. Let's try. That is your homework. So from that, you are going to develop it, and I'm going to be showing you in our next video how to play the melody for that, so that we can combine both the chord progression and the melody. If you have any questions or any comments, I'll be happy to respond to any that you have got. Remember, whenever you practice, you have to practice slow. You start slow and then increase the pace slowly by slowly, so that you can be confident that you have gotten your chords right, and then you have gotten your chord progression right. After that, you go to strumming right. After that, you can play together with the melody, or you can accompany somebody who would like to sing it. If this is your first time joining this channel, thank you so much for joining us. We do not take it for granted that you've taken your time to click and watch the content that we have. There is so much more that we have to offer. Every single week, we release new content. And so if you enjoyed watching this video, please click on the next one for more.